19's or what? Yeah, 19 was one of them, wasn't it? It's a truss problem. Maybe we'll have enough time. Maybe we won't. I don't know. If we get the free body diagram, then the rest of it will be a piece of cake, right? So the free body diagram looks something like this. Now we said AX, it's got A is pin, so it's AY and AX. Everything's going vertical, so we'll say AX is going to the right. BY, like this. BX is 0 because it's on a roller, right? So we got 3 kips right here. Looks like we got 12 kips out here. And we got 4 right here. And 8 over here. Is that supposed? It's really supposed to be right in line with that, isn't it? Do what? Oh, I put 3. Why did I come up with 3? How did I do that? I don't even know how to relate that one to something that. Thank you. 5 kips. Just pulling numbers out of the air. Okay, so those are the forces acting on it, right? Now we have to get some numbers in here for the distances. This is 15 feet. This one, actually those 2, what's that going to be? 45. This one, must be about 30. And the overall must be 60. Oh, and then we got to have one. No, we don't actually have to have that top of that, and they don't even give it, do they? The height of the truss. They're not even given that. So sum the forces in the X equals 0 equals AX. Is that right?
If one of those forces up on the top of the truss is at an angle, then we would need the height of that, right?
Yes. If the force, one of these forces was at an angle like that example problem I did, then yeah, you'd have to have that height because you have an X and a Y component that you're going to have to deal with in the form of a moment. Yeah. And we wouldn't be left with just, or let's see, AX. Yeah. AX wouldn't be 0 in that case. You would have some force acting on it, wouldn't it? But yeah, in this case though, we're fine. Sum the forces into Y. We got AY minus 4 minus 12 minus 8 minus 5 plus BY. Too many unknowns. Sum the moment at A. Always label that with A or B depending on where you're coming from. 15 kips, negative. 15, or excuse me, 4. I was looking at distance. 4. Trying to hurry. Want to get this one done. Minus 4 times 15 feet. Minus 12 times 30 feet. Minus 8 times 45 feet. Minus 5 times 45 feet. Plus BY times 60. We can solve for BY, can't we? 60 BY, leave it where it's at, everything else goes the other side of the equation. You end up with 4 times 15, 60, isn't it? 60 plus 12, that'd be what, 260? Plus 8 times 45, plus 5 times 45. Oh, it'd help if I turn the light on. Damn it. 4 times 15 plus 12 times, oh, that's 12 times 30. I was wrong anyway. Plus 8 times 45 plus 5 times 45. 1,005, does that sound about right?
Yeah.
That's 1,005 kips feet. And 1,005 divided by 60. 16.75. BY equals 16.75 kips. It came out a positive value. We had said it was going up, so it is. Now this is where if you had guessed that wrong, when you went back to this equation here, you would have to change that direction, wouldn't you? If you had guessed it wrong. Now, let me finish this real quick. So that was 16.75. So AY stays where it's at, everything else goes to the other side of the equation. These all become positive, that's a negative. So we got 4 and 12 is 16, 24, 29, right? 29 minus 16.75, about 12.25. Kips. It came out a positive value. We said AY was going up, so it is. Okay. So that's what's going on with that particular one. There you go. I haven't picked out which problems to do, so I will post them on Blackboard. Since we're running out of time, I'll post some problems on Blackboard for you to do between now and Wednesday, and then we'll go over them Wednesday. And then, like I said, I think probably Friday we'll have a quiz over this chapter. So make sure you do these problems. If you don't, it's going to bury you. And in a lot of respects, this chapter is easier than the previous one. Or the test will be easier than the previous ones. So, okay?